everyone. 9 Acres RV here coming at you with a brand new Keystone Retreat 2023. Model number is 39FKSS. Folks, it's a little windy today, so I only took the awning out a little bit. Let's take a look at this beautiful park model. 2 30-pound propane tanks will be filled up. Now that window, it has protective plastic in the front that comes right off. There's your main door right there. Beautiful power awning with LED lights. We got outside speakers. Woo! Is it ever winding? Is that a word? Did I just invent that? Oh my goodness, I'm French. Here we go! I'll have to say that. Over on the other side, we got 2 more slides. This slide is the king-size bed. The master bedroom out back. Look at the size of that slide. Wait till I get inside, I'll show you all the room between the dinette and the sofa. Slates up top. All right, let's get out of this wind. I forgot to mention, but on the roof of this thing, 2 AC units. All right, walk it in. Keystone Retreat 2023. All right, so this is a front kitchen. A couple of bar stools right here. Storage. Solid surface countertops. We have a skylight. Oven. 3-burner stove. We got a microwave. And there's some type of emergency here in the Caledonia Industrial Park in Moncton. You can hear the sirens. Beautiful residential style faucet. Double sinks, stainless steel. Awesome fridge right here. With double freezer doors. They're actually stuck together with tape. Nice. We got a pantry with a motion sensor light. We got 4 chairs on a table. That table does extend, as you can see. Oh, I gotta snap it out. Awesome floors. Take a look at this slide. Look at the room in the dining area. Be as fat as I am and you'll still fit. That sofa will turn into a bed. That is a recliner. This beautiful fireplace does throw out some heat on those chilly nights. We got the Furion stereo. Nice big TV. That TV does swivel out, by the way. Let me show you how that works. All right, now I got it swiveled out. You can see behind the TV, more storage, but the fact that it swivels out and over, love it. I'm gonna sit down on the couch and that's directly in front of me and I love it. Next up, hallway here, we got ourselves a central vacuum system. Storage area. Down the hall, this is the second door to the master bedroom. Well, let me open up this closet right here. This is just a screen for the window. However, you could live in this thing. We are prepped for a washer dryer. Look how tall that is. And you know what? Other than the super long slide here in the front kitchen area, the living room area, take a look at how tall these ceilings are. Some of our competitors out there do not have ceilings that are that high. All right, so we do have a fan, medicine cabinet. We got a corner shower. Nice tall ceilings. And yep, that is a nice porcelain toilet. Sneak peek to the master bedroom. Well, let's go the traditional way. There's your control center for your dual ACs up on the roof with the heat. There we go, master bedroom. Love it. Your own AC unit. That is a king size bed, of course. Look how roomy it is over on this side. Got a couple of reading lights in both corners. Storage up top. Again, these slides are very, very tall. Opposing slide. 3 dressers. More storage up top. Put that up. There we go. Awesome. Very, very roomy. Very spacious. Okay. You guys are in the market for a park model. Come on down to 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. This is our very first retreat of the year for 2023. We're excited, no doubt about that. I hope to see you soon. Bye for now. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.